age 71, with a panoply of medical conditions due not only to aging but also to having spent almost a decade and a half in prison and over a year and a half in US-controlled black sites being tortured, the idea that he would join the ranks of any kind of fight is not only viscerally offensive to those who know him or have read the government, quote, evidence against him, but also downright preposterous to consider that the American government, having essentially broken an elderly man, now claims to fear him. The American executive as well as judicial branches have effectively absolved themselves of charging Mr. Peralta with any crime, and it is therefore incumbent upon the Pakistani government to stand up and advocate for its national, either to be charged with a crime or to be sent home to his family to live out his final years.